Welcome to our channel. Today, we're uncovering the best pressure cookers available. Whether you're aiming to speed up meal prep or cook delicious dishes effortlessly, we've got you covered. Join us as we review top-rated models, compare features, and guide you to the perfect pressure cooker for your kitchen. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen companion. It features 13 programmable cooking functions, perfect for making ribs, stews, beans, porridge, and more. Beyond its primary function as a pressure cooker, it also serves as a rice cooker, yogurt maker, and slow cooker. With an 8-quart stainless steel cooking bowl, it can prepare meals for up to 8 people. The bowl's tri-ply bottom is ideal for sautéing, while the non-stick surface is perfect for making stews, soups, and rice. The lid includes a catch handle that keeps it upright when open, allowing you to focus on stirring or cleaning. Additionally, the cooker comes with a stainless steel steam rack for effortless steaming. One of the standout features is the free syncing app, offering over 1,900 recipes tailored to each function. This electric pressure cooker is perfect for cooking larger batches, making it ideal for families or entertaining a crowd, rather than just 1 or 2 people. Why you should get it: this pressure cooker comes with a free syncing app that provides over 1,900 recipes. Keep in mind, this size of pressure cooker is better suited for a large number of people as opposed to 1 or 2. Number 2. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 6-quart Pressure Cooker. Instant Pot revolutionized pressure cooking, making it accessible to everyone, and it remains the best option available. Since getting my Instant Pot Pro in 2021, I've been consistently impressed by how user-friendly it is for pressure cooking. Setting it up is a breeze, and I love the 5 customizable programs tailored to my regular cooking times and pressure levels. The covered steam valve is a fantastic feature, allowing gentle steam release, and the steam release switch is designed to prevent steam burns. The safety features are top-notch. I've tried to open the lid prematurely a few times, but the safety lock prevented me from doing so. There's also an overheating safety mechanism, which, fortunately, I haven't had to experience. As a multi-cooker, the Pro excels in slow cooking, sous vide, rice making, and over 20 other cooking programs. I've tried them all, finding each one simple to use with excellent results. One important tip: ensure your recipes include at least a cup of water to generate sufficient steam. Without enough pressure, the steam valve won't seal, and the Pro won't alert you, causing the food to start burning at the bottom of the pot. Pros: 28 cooking programs, able to customize cooking, sleek design, silicone handles on the inner pot. Cons: no alert when it can't reach pressure. Number 3. Ninja OL701 Foodie 14-in-1 Smart AQT Pressure Cooker. Pressure-cooked food, especially meat, is typically moist and delicious but can sometimes appear a bit pale. While most pressure cookers can cook a whole chicken in about half an hour, only the Ninja Foodie XL 14-in-1 can make one that also looks appetizing. The Ninja's patented Steam Crisp technology cooks food quickly while achieving what few pressure cookers can: browning. This feature ensures your meals look as good as they taste. As we eat with our eyes first, the Ninja Foodie XL also doubles as an air fryer, complete with a dedicated air frying basket and a multi-tiered insert, allowing you to cook up to 3 layers of food simultaneously. This is incredibly useful when feeding a crowd. Before purchasing, check your kitchen's dimensions because the Ninja Foodie XL is quite large and weighs over 25 pounds, making it cumbersome to move frequently. However, with a little trial and error, mastering the Ninja Foodie is well worth it. Although it's pricier than some other models, it excels in performance. It's user-friendly, easy to clean, and a powerhouse for delivering tasty, well-cooked meals. Pros: a pressure cooker that also fries, large cooking capacity, all inner components are dishwasher safe, built-in thermometer. Cons: massive and quite heavy. Number 4. Mueller 6-quart 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. Pressure cookers can last for many years with regular maintenance. Although this upkeep can be cumbersome on many models, the Mueller UltraPot stands out for its ease of maintenance. Electric pressure cookers rely on rubber gaskets to create tight seals. These gaskets, along with the area on the lid where they lock in, require regular cleaning. The Mueller UltraPot simplifies this task by allowing easy removal of the gasket system for cleaning or replacement. This feature removes the guesswork from what can often be an arduous task. In addition to easy maintenance, the Mueller UltraPot comes with all the presets you could want in a pressure cooker. One thing to note, depending on your cooking style, is that the slow cook settings run a bit hot. Personally, I prefer this, as I like my pressure cooker to run slightly hotter rather than cooler. Overall, the Mueller UltraPot is designed for simplicity in use and, most importantly, ease of maintenance. Pros: great build quality with an attractive display, easy rubber gasket maintenance, built to last. Cons: runs a little hot, even on low settings. Number 5. Chef IQ 6QT Smart Pressure Cooker. The Chef IQ calls itself a smart cooker, and this title couldn't be more accurate for this advanced pressure cooker. Unlike models with cheap plastic control panels, the Chef IQ features a full-blown LCD touchscreen for selecting modes to cook everything from pot roast to quinoa. Dry goods are a standout with the Chef IQ. Thanks to its built-in scale, this scale weighs not only the dry ingredients but also the precise amount of water needed, ensuring perfect cooking for rice, pasta, and beans. Beyond its practical features, the user experience is engaging enough to make it fun to experiment with even when you're not making dinner. When you face the perennial question of what should I make for dinner, the Chef IQ companion app provides inspiration and guidance with fully guided recipes, complete with video demonstrations. It's hard to imagine where pressure cooker technology can go from here. This pressure cooker isn't just sleek, it's practically space age, with its built-in LCD monitor that takes the guesswork out of dinner planning. Pros: LCD screen with presets for countless cooking styles, built-in scale for precision cooking, a user-friendly experience. Cons: pricey.